Hello, my friends, it's Danny, and today I'm here with my daughter, Katie.
Hey guys!
And Katie and I have partnered up with our friends at KiwiCo, and we're making a new recipe from their cooking subscription line, Yummy Crate.
Yummy Crate focuses on the joy of preparing and sharing a delicious meal with your family, which is one of our favorite things to do.
Wow. Good.
KiwiCo's Yummy Crate unlocks the science of cooking and helps kids gain confidence in the kitchen with family-friendly, kid-tested recipes and hands-on STEAM experimentation.
Which stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math.
Every Yummy Crate includes a theme. Today's is magical and munchable, along with 3 delicious recipe cards,
A Yummy Zine magazine filled with kid-friendly science, comics, history, and fun food facts.
2 hands-on STEAM activities that tie into the overall theme of the crate, and of course, 1 grown-up guide shopping list.
1 specialty cooking tool. We're going to be using the citrus juicer today.
You can see that Yummy Crate is designed to help kids foster a love of science and cooking, and it's such a great learning resource for the home. It was a little bit tricky to pick a recipe because Katie and I both love blueberry muffins and we both love lemonade, but we decided to go with
The tie-dye noodles.
because Katie loves noodles.
Very true.
Plus,
And we get to turn them purple, so that's super fun.
yeah, so this is what we're gonna need.
2 cups of torn red cabbage, 1 cup shredded carrots, 1 cup of mixed greens, 1 medium cucumber sliced into rounds, 2 large limes, 1 cup of shredded chicken. We took a shortcut and bought a rotisserie chicken. 7 ounces vermicelli rice noodles, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil, and 4 cups of water.
So we have 4 cups of water coming to a boil in a large pot, and to that we're adding 2 cups of torn red cabbage, which we simply pulled apart with our hands and then washed under some cold water. Once the cabbage has boiled for 5 minutes, I'm gonna turn off the heat and then place a large colander inside a clean large pot. Then I'll pour the cabbage mixture into the colander, making sure to capture all of that purple water. As for the cabbage, its job is done. It's lended its beautiful bright purple color, and so you can either toss what's left or enjoy it as a little snack.
Like salt. Delicious. Good.
Then, carefully place the vermicelli rice noodles into the purple water, pop on a lid, and let them rest for 15 minutes. While the noodles are cooking, my mom and I are going to make the sauce.
Now we need to start with 2 limes, and a great hack whenever you're working with citrus is to pop your limes or your lemons into the microwave for about 15 seconds and then roll them back and forth on your cutting board. This is going to soften them up and make them super easy to juice. So from here, we'll just slice them in half and then twist back and forth on the juicer until you have about 2 tablespoons of lime juice.
Then we'll combine the lime juice with our sesame oil, soy sauce, and honey. Then we'll whisk it all together and we're ready to build our tie-dye noodle salad bowl.
But first, we are going to drain and rinse our noodles.
Oh my gosh, how fun is that color?
So beautiful. Absolutely brilliant. Then to build our bowl, we're just gonna layer in our ingredients, starting with some shredded chicken, our mixed greens, shredded carrots, cucumber rounds, and then of course the star of the show,
Our beautiful purple noodles.
We're gonna finish that by drizzling a couple tablespoons of the homemade sauce right over the top, and this bowl is ready to be enjoyed. Oh, how cool is this? When you pour the dressing over the noodles turn pink, so you end up with tie-dye noodles.
That's so cool.
It is so beautiful, so easy, so fun to make, and most importantly, so delicious.
I love the dressing. Wow. Good. Super tangy. You can't taste that the noodles are a different color. But the flavors come together so well.
They do.
That is a fun
Dish.
Jinx. Cheers. You took the words right out of my mouth.
So delicious.
So good. And so fresh,
Oh, that is the perfect word.
right? Super light and fresh.
Thanks again to KiwiCo for sponsoring this video. Knowing that all of Yummy Crate's recipes are kid tested and designed to help kids build confidence in the kitchen makes this a really great, fun learning project for you and your family. And I personally think it's also a fantastic gift idea. So if you want to give Yummy Crate a try, KiwiCo is generously offering everybody in the Clean and Delicious family 50% off their first Yummy Crate subscription. All you have to do is go down to the description box below, and I have a link for you. Simply visit www.kiwico.com/delicious, and you will save 50%. So as always, thank you so much for watching. I'm Danny Spees.
And I'm Katie Spees.
And we'll see you back here next time with some more
Clean and Deliciousness.
Cheers!
Love ya.